Come yalla naturality, naturality, naturality. Test teach them. We will do Danbury, berry. Naturality, naturality, naturality. This teach them. You end up in the cemetery. We no fear nobody, body. Body, body, we not run from nobody, body. Body, body, say in no fear nobody, body. Body, body, in not run from nobody, body. Body, body, we see them up and see them hype. We go dig off them stripes, see them run and see them jump and go back from them. We fling. One teach them to a sound boy chest. Two teach them and a boy no test. Three teach them we send a boy to rest. Make them know to teach them around the dub plate press. In the north and the south, the east and the west, we just dig off them bogus badger for them chest. So we no fear nobody, body. Body, body, we not run from nobody, body. Body, body.
I am here vibing, one of the foundation artists from the East. His parents named him Claude Campbell, but we know him as
the youngest veteran, or otherwise he ate his boss, Little Harry, from that time until this time.
Sir Harry. All is well, sir?
Yeah, please meet in the eye and nice avenue here.
It's an honor, man. It's an honor. Place nice and cool.
Yes, man. Nice environment, you know.
Man. Give thanks, man. Man, me make him look like a baby, brother.
I tell you.
And me bigger than you as well.
Well, I don't know what's going on. One supposed to born before one still.
So you think about it. Everything good though?
Yeah, man. It's all good, man. Happiness and love and prosperity, whole heap of blessing.
Yeah, man.
It's long life, we say, you know. The 80s boss don't play around. If I ramp in them, I look, tell them to find a playground. Circus enough for me, I owe them a try clown. It's like them 1 year old, the steel pipe sound. Thumbs up and with that, Spain town. Teach them with the Zik chroma fame own. When you see the dogs, them don't throw a stone. When a pint and miss boy, you get a skull blown. And which store them have a boil them up. How which puck come and aisle them up. And who them dull knife and try to cut. Not even my tailor can. Still, I like the phone where you apple and me still a hold it out like the rum in the buckle. The browning when me palm with an affair muggle. Me no play football, dog. Me no take tackle.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Talk to us though, Father Harry. Early life, place of birth.
Place of birth, Dalvey. The place of St. Thomas, that's the parish. You know. Never really grew up in a Dalvey. Leave from Dalvey to a place named Anthem Court them time, so that's where I grew up.
Yes.
We call it Duck and Field Top.
Duck and Field.
Top, yeah.
Top.
Go right in front of the primary school on a Duck and Field and thing, you know, as a youth. You know. Went to Bell Rock as a prep school.
Yeah, prep school.
Yeah, Bell Rock, right side of the sugar factory when you drive and go down on the road and thing, you know. Past the market and go down. That's in a Duck and Field.
Duck and Field, cool.
Yeah, and then now, leave from Bell Rock now, start going to school in front of my yard, some fee, good, it's easy for go to school, you know.
Right across the road.
Yeah, right across the road, you know, never late yet.
That was Duck and Field.
Yeah, that was Duck and Field.
Or primary.
Yeah, definitely. Then now, parents moved from there and to Port Morant.
Port Morant.
You know, still in St. Thomas. That's one of the major towns for St. Thomas, because even though them say Morant Bay is a town, I see Port Morant as a major town, because them time of day and if you go to Morant Bay, things locked down. Port Morant will always lively.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a party place, you know. You know, so that's where I start go to Port Morant School from them time there. Then leave from Port Morant School to go back to a place them call Stoke Sall Secondary.
Okay.
Almost close to the same year as Duck and Field, you know. You know. And from there, so now, all this music thing started now.
So Stoke Sall Secondary was your last schooling, formal schooling?
Yeah,
okay.
definitely. Definitely. But
before we reach to the music part of the thing though, Zane, how many brothers and sisters you have?
Well, it's 5 brothers of us.
5 brothers.
And 2 sisters, so in all, 7 of us. 1 mother, 1 father, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Mommy
man.
and daddy, everybody together?
Everybody is together same way, but some of them migrate, they are foreign likes. Maybe 2 of the brothers, you know.
But all your siblings are still alive, all brothers and sisters
all brothers and sisters still alive, mother and father, you know.
It's a blessing that, man.
It's a blessing, man.
And mommy and daddy still around as well?
Yeah, man, I'm still around, man. I reside in a place called Lantop. Port Morant, St. Thomas, yeah. Father named Leandro, the Great Bailo.
Great Bailo.
Yeah, I'm old lady, Miss Ivory, you know, cool going, you know.
Mad.
Yeah.
What was it like back then though, Harry, growing up from a financial perspective?
Well, we never too have no problem because growing up as a youth, we never too suffer because them things I'm a old man bill, you know, like house and me call up on road, so we never too have them problems. I could remember when I go out to the Western, I want all the money, I just go in the Western and draw some money out, so I take out all 2-3 leaf.
Yeah.
You know, that served me for months at school, and I'm bridging them, you know.
So things never bad financially growing up?
No, man, but otherwise we grow rough because, you know, river, football, field, sea, climb up a tree, everything, you know.
Enjoy your life.
Yeah, that was full roughness, but like say for food and clothing and sheltering, no, we never have that problem there.
Yes.
You know?
So where or when along, you know, you're growing up years, the music start, you know, become a part of your life?
From I was born.
I made it born.
Yeah, because my mother is a lady who can dance very good. She used to go dance a party them time them in her belly.
Yeah.
My father is a man now, the man you know, left the mic an inch.
Father used to DJ?
Always upon the politics campaign and all them things that them call them Bylaw the Great Right Shirley. Just stand up and hear the man they sing, you weep.
Yeah?
My father, a singer that man. And dance everything in a one.
Yeah.
You know? So I
it's
figure
in the
more or
blood?
less, yeah, it come from a bloodline. You know?
So when did you come to the realization to say the music in you? I know you say you're born with it, but when you're conscious and know say, yo, you know that music thing, I like it?
Well, I have to tell you from when the thing start. You see, when I youth now, and when the man, whenever time the man I build house, I make a board house and them thing there. Me as a man, me ever itch up amongst them. The little two before them cut off, I pack them one side. I just watch you, because I have to move it down even a dozen nails. You know the little fine nail them I'm using at the ceiling. And then now I get my toothpaste cork and my different cork and I set up my keeper, my sound and my agate string and my piece of sticking and my sour orange. And my mic that, you know. So me have a brother now, me have a brother until this day, this is one of the best body man, but I'm kind of love it. Like if a car mash up, when the man finish with it,
brand new
again. The man used to make the truck. So I pack up my sound in a film truck and anywhere I want to play, I go play. And one at the time I play one of one virgin named Leela and the man want to use 2 mics for the sound, but the mic where he set up it don't look appropriate, so it casts a vibe. So I just pack up my sound and cut, you know.
Yeah,
man. I just saw the thing set and we did till there was a sound named Black Lion now.
Black Lion.
Yeah, some used to thief at night time I was DJ on Black Lion.
How old were you at that time?
Them time there. Just left 8 years old, I go to 9, you know.
Young?
Yeah, man, but love the thing from a long time.
Early, 9, 10 years old, you decided to start taking on the street on a musical level?
Before 10.
Before 10?
Yeah, I tell you like 8 plus.
Yeah. And Black Lion was the first sound?
Yeah, so I start thief and go over there at night time. I get a lot of beating feet.
Yeah?
Yes, man. Because I'm not supposed to, by certain hours I'm supposed to in. You're on a parent's jurisdiction, you know?
Yes.
But we are brief it, like I said, man, I'm a brief the COVID thing, you know.
Yeah.
Anyway, one at a time, I mash up over there in the morning. I never go over the night. Go to the jam. I don't carry over tomorrow, because this thing have to stop. Anyway, I carry me over the morning and kind of rugged, but him deal with it still. I never get no beat. And I say, the youth have talent, Lee. Lee, you can't follow Ray and Ray. Remember, say he's a mic man, they love sing, so it's in your blood. So anyway, I love it still. I'm going on DJ on Black Lion. So after I DJ on Black Lion, one day, you know, them have a big push cart there in a Port Oran Square, them call the place Cotton Tree. Seeing, you know, the cart, Derby and them things.
Yeah, man.
So I have a sound now named, anyway, further down in the news.
Yeah.
Seeing Aquarius is sound name.
Aquarius.
Seeing, yeah, man. See with a brother named Tubby's Control it, so they will play them string up on the Chinaman page, you know. So I stay so now and I did it and I go get the mic in my hand because people kind of know of me. From up a land top there at night time, everybody in them bed them a listen. So I get the mic and flash a first style and play a steer down and when me look the man must lift me up in the air like so. I never go in the hot and no glass and I look hot up on my head and glass up on my face and I saw them have me lock. The whole place tear up, so I said, all right, I saw it go anyway. That's over. That was like the Saturday. The following Sunday now, you have Lee's Unlimited with Aces on the beach, a place called Prospect.
Prospect.
The location in Bloomawo. Well-known location right now, you know, because it even get bigger and bigger from in the day. So I have a little virgin named Koga. where the man every interview when I do Cougar name Africa, because you have to talk how the thing start, see?
Makes sense.
So him come tell me about it and I said, boy, I have to go thief. So I have a little brother now, I just tell him what I wear, him just take out them there. You know? Because most of the man have to stay away from the yard, because through this music together, no school now go sometime. I soon get up out there, take a little chocolate, me get, asleep.
Yeah.
What? Anyway, now, I stay so now, and we make the move. Look up some Bombay mango and thing, because night and day in the beach settings. And the money now around them time.
What's the mango them night?
No, we carry the mango them for eat, man.
Oh, for eat?
But we go, boy, we never have enough, because we have some other friend who want to, and we have to just share. Anyway, I beard, eat my mango and share. Anyway, I step up and I did and see the selector call me, name Nigga Butler.
Nigga Butler?
Yeah, I'm drop out now. Well known, he used to play a sound named Melo Canary back in the days. Big selector that.
Yeah.
You must hear about Melo Canary.
No, first, I hear about that one
Yeah,
still.
I forgot to say.
You're young.
Yeah, you're young still. Anyway, I'm on hold the mic and I tell us the whole place mash up. From in the evening like now, them time I'm hold the mic. And we never get to let it go back till about 4
AM?
Yeah, Yellow Man no come on the sound yet. No other DJ no there. I have to just go rock it up because you a big
Still
man.
Aquarius or
No,
Aces?
Aces, man. Aces.
Yeah, man, because Aquarius...
So anyway, the man them say, boy, right now, the manager for the sound name Butler, the same Butler, I say, boy, all right, you have to go there everywhere this day. You know. So I say, boy, I can't there everywhere, you know. The man have to talk to mama and dada. Because the man, them already rush me upon that something already. I'm not so good with them upon that something. So anyway, them go raise with them still and get the okay. The following week now, we have this national GDC competition. It's still going on now.
Yes.
They mean at the Skateland and Aces get the bookings to play there and things.
JCEC.
Yeah, he play at every one of them right around the island. End up in the Skateland, you know. I enter the competition. So Yellow Man come
It's
first.
1981.
Yeah, Yellow Man come first. I Man come second.
And that you are saying I saw them say.
No man,
Yellow win it.
legit. Yeah man,
Oh,
Yellow
okay.
win it. Yellow come first, me come second. Nicodemus, I'm not talking about like Junior Demos, the original Nicodemus. Him come third. Sassafras run down then at the fourth space. And me say I blame me, say boy, I chew him, you know, I never get the second place behind Yellow Man, you know.
Yeah.
But it's my fault, you know.
Yeah.
So from best now, I start go around with Aces. Because I play everywhere in Jamaica, 14 parish. Everywhere. Nowhere in Jamaica where I DJ teach them.
Yeah? Everywhere?
Everywhere, man. That's one of the time now. After Aces days over now, I start DJ on a sound named Volcano.
John Joe.
Yeah.
So why you leave Aces?
Well, them time you know, a town thing around it, and I get the opportunity for record for John Joe, yeah. That's how this album come, DJ Clash Volume 1, 2 and
Billy
3,
Boy,
title Little Larry Billy Boy. Great album. Very great album, you know.
We talk about that in a few.
So
you say you leave Aces because, you know, the
no,
opportunity...
I never really leave, but me the to and from still.
Oh,
but Jimmy never too like it, cause...
The winter?
Yeah, Mr. Winter, my cousin too, you know.
Winter, your cousin?
Yes, man, because when I left it, when the sound don't play, when it touch weekend, like during the week, them time, I bull beer, somebody said, you know.
Yeah.
I said, if you listen when I track with a track named Wicked and Wild, I say, oh, 9 mile connected to 11 mile, and a boy can't stop you from going 9 mile, because our bodyguard and a cool pro. I play the track, we can hear it. Since so a long time, I really come at them places. No disrespect, you know. I have to big up the young producer, Cybas, because them man, them say I push the thing, you know, because them say me a DJ.
We soon
like,
return to that part,
yeah,
I
but
think,
you know,
man.
I have to big up Cybas.
Yeah, man, Cybas, big up yourself.
Straight up. The Prospect Center Master. Cliffy boy,
yeah.
My little cousin and thing, large up. All right,
yeah,
great youth.
We big up them man there where the thing reach that part, I think there. See?
All right.
So you know, so you were between Aces and Kingston, and while in Kingston it was Volcano.
Yeah, Volcano.
Big bad Volcano.
At that time. I know when you go to Volcano, you have man that sing, man that DJ, and man that blow. Because if they have Leroy Hansman, you will find all the man that you know, great youth.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
So you're about to do everything?
Yeah, man. So Volcano now contain of Little John, Billy Boy, Louis Leppel, Tyan, Lee Van Cliff, Dillinger, Linval Thompson. You know, every artist.
So you never struggle to get mic run a Volcano?
Me can't struggle, me and Junior Cat never struggle for mic yet, because we grab it. If you don't want to give it, just grab that. They want to fight, to fight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No strugglings.
No strugglings, man. We just grab that. So me don't really have the mic problem there. And when me let it off, let it off. Yeah, you can grab it from it too. We don't feel away.
Yeah, so you were now making a name. So you kind of established yourself in St. Thomas. So you were now making a name in Kingston and
around the island, yeah.
So you were now in the big league, so to speak, with some of the biggest names in the business
time,
at the time.
like Little Larry was like the Chronicle we are here now and the Bean Man or whatever.
Yeah.
You know? Because even with I grab my thing there, you know, sometimes I try style for me, you know. So when me grab it and say, yeah, people will say, yo, the little youth want, hey, man, me kill one on you know. And the youth want here right now, you know. I don't want none to touch it, you know. Because more time they shot and I go, I'm just humble still, because I love me, come on, get them time. But when me ready now, I just grab that. So when me grab that now, feel them thing over. Because them I listen them long time, and me I listen them to new youth from the black come now, so go and cool out. So,
you end up run a Volcano though? How the link they make?
Oh, the link you know make just through Billy Boy when I time John did book Ace's sound and them keep a live dance in 82 Chisholm Avenue that are in a Sugar Mine original yard and the one named Jack Sour, I see him on a sound wave.
Video man they know.
Yeah, go on like him don't know when I make him a while. I saw them go on, them a style, you know.
Yeah.
So after this, you know, at them time, you know, John Joe discover because me and Billy get kind of get close, check for one
another. Because you guys were in the same age group.
Yeah, so him a come at Aces, sometimes I thief with me and can't go all Aces go DJ, you know. So more time I come from Aces, you know, I end up down a film place. Man, let's cook out a one pot, sleep on one bed. We are all one clothes. Because we just a brotherly love, you know. You know, Billy Boy, R.I.P., rest in peace. I call the name for no arm, but you know, just hurt, you know.
Yeah, how Billy died though?
I hear him die from all type of things, you know, but you know, there's a lot of rumor going around. I don't really know, because I hear it from the doctor himself, you know.
Okay. So yeah, so you and Billy did have a friendship.
Attachment, like a brother, yeah man. Him go on my yard, I come a female just to see him, you know. So from this, you know, because when me and Billy record for John Joe, them time the Volcano sound not even come yet.
Yeah?
No, the sound not come yet. You know? No Volcano sound not come yet. John don't have no sound yet. That's why I have a book cases when I keep the dance.
Oh.
So I deal with the album there, the live album there with Eka Mouse and you know, if you look on it now, you see mixed by Billy Boy and Little Larry. And we do all of the mixing.
Are you
mix? Yeah, them time we have a DJ and mix ourselves and search the record. Yeah, we are search the record in the box and we are DJ same way and put it on and we are same way. Part 1, part 2, pull up and come again, yeah, you know?
Talented man.
Yeah, multi-talented them really.
And you run John before Volcano forward.
Yeah, before the sound forward, because I remember when Volcano, Errol, you have a youth named Errol of England, and he used to build them type of amp there. You know, some KT and them thing, but it was a John Joe sound wasn't true, but it was a transistor rise.
Right.
Yeah. A two sound, when witness them on the bill of wicked, saying Volcano, and next sound would come out of St. Thomas name, Governor General.
Governor General.
Yeah, we know, so them man, yeah, one wicked sound. Them sound, man, you go near them sound, you can't just reason. You hear everything clear, and a boodoo back.
Yes.
Seeing?
Sweet.
Yeah, man, Volcano was a sweet sound, man.
Yeah.
You know?
I could pause the Volcano part and go back at Aces. Right? Because you were at Aces before. King Yellow Man.
Yeah, man.
And Fathead.
Yes, man. You know, Yellow Man bring Fathead come at Aces. Yellow Man really come at Aces now. Jack Scorpio. Black Scorpio play out on place named License in a La La Land.
Yes.
So it was like I think it was like the Saturday night. So there are some people from Lethal now. Maxine, I call her name for no arm. She died now still. And you have a next one named Johnny Boy. Johnny Boy and Maxine was together. So they would go to the dance and meet Yellow Man. So them say Yellow Man, nah, go back on the town. Them carry my years. So them carry Yellow Man from Prospect to Lethal. You know, put him up on everything and carry him come the Sunday night. And that was it.
That was it?
Yeah, from him come yesterday, everybody just get to love him.
Yeah.
You know, and that was it, you know. So after Yellow Man come to Aces now, them time the Aces start shot bigger. Even Peter Metro, the man that used to left for Metro Media
Come on, Aces too.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, and Peter are a good friend, man. Until to the day, you know.
Yeah.
But I tell you, I don't see no sound we play out like Aces still.
Play out like Aces.
Yeah, in a hour time.
All out.
Aces on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yo, my bleach already tell her when you see how one van pass me on the road and show all them girls fool on me enough them time. But vehicle pass me on the road already and I feel like I drop one drop. Believe it.
Tired?
Yeah, man. Like no substance in the body, I bleach too much. Monday morning time when I go out of school, a piece chocolate me get and all the teacher then get to find out something I did music though. I went time I get all the chocolate and walls. Man, can you know when you wake up and the will want to sleep, your face ugly though. Everybody laugh off of me and told my brother and say, teacher, take time with him, I wheel on Westmoreland, the boy mash up the whole weekend I mash up Westmoreland and St. Anton. So when I teach, I say, oh, he's a DJ. So how you deal with the DJ of the school team? I say, I have to learn still, you know? So, you know.
So Yellow now, Aces name a bill. You were there from before Yellow and right through the growth of Aces, you were there.
Right through. Until the day I say town.
Till the day I say town?
Yeah, you know.
So you come town now, Jonjo first and then the sound came. But before you come town, you recorded before you go Jonjo?
Yeah, the first time I really do a recording, it was a live recording, live at Aces.
Yes.
A place called Ross Craig, parish of Portland, you know. We have Yellow Man, and the Yellow Man I say, under me, everything under me. And remember the album there? Under me, everything on. Yeah. We have Yellow Man, title Yellow Man, Fathead, Licklary, and Jarubal. Yeah, great
What's Jarubal there?
The Mount of St. Thomas said we, you know.
Mount of St. Thomas.
Yeah, man, Rubal still the
we know Fathead passer.
Yeah. Them say Fathead passer, me send down one small island and a boat business in my run. Whole heap of boat on beach and everything there.
Yeah? Well, the passer go good then.
Me say really did get shot up for true, but him never dead. So I don't know, because you know sometimes rumors,
yes.
You know, some of them false and some of them true.
At Jamaica and get shot?
No, Miami.
Miami.
Well, let's see then.
Yeah.
Them say like him in our Caribbean. I know what it is.
So it was Feeding the Dancehall, that the performance name with you, Yellow, Fathead and Jarubal.
Healing in the Dancehall.
Healing in the Dancehall.
Healing in the Dancehall. And if you want everything, just fling up everything, make we heal in the dance. Yellow Man, one of the greatest DJ passed through Jamaica. Because I go a country with the Yellow Man and say whole people climb tree just to see Yellow Man. In a night. I got a dance already twice with the Yellow Man. One time it happened around at the Rio Grande, one of the old boxing plant, Port Antonio, Rio Grande.
Rio Grande.
Yeah, but the first time it happened at a place called Wait a Bit. Trelawny, Lime Tree Land. I never forget. They will go weird when I want to go be like cold water like my baby, you know. So after we stay so now and we make a drive go back in a Mandeville town because Yellow Man them there guest house and come pick me up.
Okay.
When I couldn't go and cool in a dance. Till dance start. I don't know when we go. I tell the teacher them, I don't want to get up out of the seats, but I actually want to get up. This is when we reach at the gate. Pocket. Right now, I know the people that at the gate but still not get for going to the dance hall now.
Yeah?
And them have the money, but them just can't get in there.
Full.
The promoter organize a thing, man, and set up one thing like, you know, them carry a dead man on some stick, or the soldier them carry them down, or something like that, them set up, and me, Yellow Man and Fathead go up on it. And them just lift it right over the gate.
And bring one in.
And bring we in. Enough of them artists always say hype up them something they never catch them yet.
Never.
That's why I don't listen to them.
You don't listen to them.
We never make no money out of the business, you know. But you see where them are survive off and now they spoil. Just like that tree, the beer and you see them beer and drop. And that them are survive off and now. Because when we are building this no money thing, they better go on.
Just the love for the music.
Just the love for the music. That's why I don't care who are this or who are that or who are where I'm on earth said way. Seeing, I don't want nobody come mash up the music.
Well,
Me no support no man where mash up the music. You could have bad like knit. If it was me, there would be no you.
yes, sir. Yeah, that's an exact way.
Yeah, me no like people try to mash up the music. Cause me no too in the reggae thing, cause reggae sell out. Me is a rubber dub dancehall DJ. It's like what you say, Cartel said dancehall. Yeah, me is a rubber dub, but me is not just dancehall, me is a rubber dub dancehall DJ because in the old rubber dub thing said we. I mean, the new thing too.
So you change with the things here,
Me
man?
in everything because when we go show now two different sets of crowd. My old man friend them want to hear back certain little thing and the young people. Yeah, them want to hear little thing, them want to hear. Tell me see your waist at the clock, kick like a second and me no have no talk. P blank shut a bus, blap blap blap. Life bang IG, everybody watch. Wait for me, baby, take your time, rotate, showcase, that the wine there, you know?
Bam, bam.
I hear some people say, why you can little thing call? I want to go sugar mine selection, let's wait for the part 2, you know?
Yeah.
You know, somebody everywhere.
Everywhere.
Yeah, me man go on dubstep. You hear about dubstep?
Yes, man.
Yeah, me record on dubstep, you know? Me there everywhere.
Everywhere. After healing in the dancehall, that was a live recording. When was the first time you actually go in a studio, go record a song?
When I was recording DJ Clash Volume 1, 2 and 3, Little Harry Billy Boy. And that recording take place around by Retirement Road, Joe Gibbs Studio.
Joe Gibbs Studio.
Yeah.
And that was done for Henry John Jalaz.
And the Volcano label. Distributed by Green Sleeve Recording Company in England. Them say VP Bytown.
Right. How well did that do?
It did well, you know, but I know I get a center fight right now. Chris a VP, me and him a link up and because them said a lot of money. Me even call him today about him busy, but me not feel no way because the man have a lot of things to deal with still. The greatest thing, me and him is in contact and take all information and the name of the tracks them, so I feel like I better say something will happen.
So how come it takes so long for you?
That is like 30 odd years with a royalty. You know the thing go, man? Them we are first time DJ, we don't have no manager, we don't have nobody to take up certain things and we just do it for the love. You know? So a change pan we know it become a business. A yellow man come make man know some money in the thing. I first DJ that drive BMW around here. You know, so after yellow man start drive BMW, people say wait to tonight. Them yellow man a John Joe. Linval Thompson, them man, the man they come make people know say, oh, reggae, because Linval Jack is a man, a Jack Brain, if it was no Linval Thompson, there would be no John Joe. John Joe was a man who bust him gun. Man, Vinite a fire shot off of one of our Painland. Jack check for him and say, come in at the music, boy, we don't want them kill you. So Linval Thompson, him will call Jack, him John Joe turn producer. When Jack buy the house up a stone, he said, John, you're supposed to have money that you know, the election dust run and some boy run left them place and I sell it out for money, for a price. How much you have? And the two of them go whole house up there. So if there was no Linval, there would be no John Joe.
But let me ask you a question now, because you raise something I have to press before we move on. On that album, you have about 6-7 songs.
5 songs.
5 songs?
Yeah, 5 from
Just said promotion.
Yeah. Lego Me
Harry
Queen.
and the Go.
Yeah.
Lego Me Queen.
Yeah.
Rougher Than Rough.
Yeah.
Long Time Ago.
Yeah. No, long time ago is a different
thing.
Yeah, different thing.
And you know make dollar.
Not even dollar.
So, but John Joe was still around. So now John Joe do the thing for brother. So how come you know call it?
But you know them stay. And how them go on more time. Cause I watch it. Look up on anorexia body.
Because we not even get around to that yet, brother.
When I reach this man a Jamaica producer, I not get dollar fight. You know when I make money a fight?
No skeng dance song that man?
Yeah, if it wasn't for Ricky Troop, I would even make $1. I want big clash to go on in Amazon and Ricky said I want that tune there. Yeah, Amazon. And Ricky said I want the tune, but we have to do it the war way. And me and him sit down and figure it out. And from the day, Ricky Troop
you cut it in a dub.
From
people
the
start
day
requesting.
I cut that song in a dub plate. Me not hungry again.
Give thanks to Troop.
And that enough, yeah man. I would hear me hug him up on Facebook and I say, when we get rich, we have to do something for you here. He say, all right, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did a reason and thing. When we just come back in a town, he left from up at Oakland when they come check me around a sound way. He say, I look like him come check you, come here, so I'm there from with them long to see him. I Chupa was a DJ too, you know. Enough people don't know still, but the man was
Me I try
DJ.
document him story about him. I mean, I don't know if I hide him or I know
I
and
go
do it
talk
still, but
to
we
him,
try
come
a
have
number of times.
Yeah, I go talk. No, I see him person, I say, where I from teach him for?
A regular my sister call him and
I go talk to him
call
on
him
it.
to but me tap.
I go talk to him on it, like needed, you know.
Yeah, man. So, we soon come around to Anorexal because a Mansa sang that. Me still there, Volcano and Jonjo, brother. Harry, you never have a discussion or a conversation with Henry about the situation?
No, because through them time, be.
Yeah, young youth.
No, me and Henry sleep in one house more time because sometimes we gone up a Stone Hill. I'm a good virgin too. But he never had a whole no argument to me towards certain thing, you know, like monetary. Give me a money one time and give Billy Boy a money said time.
And that was it.
And that was it.
But if I'm a virgin, Harry, and the thing I go on, then my virgin have to live.
Yeah, but it's true, me a youth them time, you know, if I like time like now, I know a certain thing couldn't go down, but I know if I go around the thing, you see me? I set the thing straight, you know. You know, because we're pitting them time, but we just do the thing for the love, you know.
So you did volume 1, 2 and 3 for Jonjo?
Yeah, I do volume 1 and then release like volume 1, volume 2 and volume 3.
And
volume 3 release like maybe the last 7 years back or so.
Okay.
And then put Nicodemus on it this time.
Right.
So I come like I'm the only live man on the album still, right now.
Jaja. And why, Jaja? So apart from that body of work, those 3 pieces of work, you do anything else with Jonjo?
Yeah, a couple more work.
A couple more songs?
Yeah, a couple more songs, but I never hear them on the road.
You don't hear them on the road?
No.
So now, after Jonjo, because you never stay there long after that, why you move? Because of the whole money situation or the just time for you
them
move?
go New York, left me them time. When everybody passport for come up for go deal with the visa, the morning, me and a virgin named Tum Tum. He's about said way, but he's alright now.
Artist?
Still. No, that's a man we used to do around with.
Okay.
They had the studio, they dance everywhere, you know. Me and Tum Tum passport couldn't find them. I the passport them. So that's how me never get to reach a New York with Volcano them time there. So from that going on, I just stay and saying, I saw it ago. I end up on I have a virgin named Glen Pope them time there. Just by a son when I sent me her name, Torpedo. If I hear about that song there,
Torpedo, man.
Senator D saying, and I start DJ upon that sound there. Them time the Shaka Demos used to come, Pad Anthony.
Pad Anthony?
Yeah, pass off.
Yeah, man, you know, Pad pass off.
Other sound they bring Admiral Bailey. At them time it was like me, Admiral Bailey, Robert Lee, and lots of artists. Even Juna Demos.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Torpedo?
Yeah, man, Torpedo, man. A place called Oxford, Freeld, in a St.
No,
Mary.
Freeld, man.
I spent about nearly 6 years at them places.
Yeah?
Yeah, them places come. I go to them places, I come like king right now. Them love me at them places because I tell them, anywhere I pass through in the world, I always can go back, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, because I just know how to, you know, because all them train when I grow, I know, shift from the live to there.
Yes.
You see me?
So after Torpedo, where next?
After Torpedo, now, it was...
That's when you go Jammies?
Yeah, after Torpedo, I start full on now, buy a whole album for Jammies.
Yeah?
Yeah, you have song with, you have album like All Star, when I depend with Admiral Tibet, Licolary, Shabba Ranks, Dan Anchilo, remember all them singers there?
Yes, man.
Seeing. So, a VP control all them things they said, yeah. Superpower, you know?
Yes. How many songs you have on that mix? One?
Well, I release me on 2 mix still.
2 mix?
Yeah, I never release a whole album with me.
Okay.
I release a song named Said No to Jugs.
Yeah, Said No to Jugs,
Yeah,
right?
and the next one I'm call it Praise My Lord.
Praise My Lord.
Yeah,
I'm not familiar with Praise My Lord, but I'm familiar with Said No to Jugs still.
Yeah, you know.
So how were things monetarily read that body of work though?
I know Jammies them go on from in them time. I'm not too giving artists no money and them thing there. But most of them make money off a dub plate and shows, you know. Because even until now, I need to set up certain things. I have about 3 different publishing companies in my phone link. I get from my friend Errol Dunkley. I'm still living. Refer to none of them as yet still. Because I know everything take a little time. You know,
But you not get younger, you know. So you have to deal with the thing,
Yeah,
you know.
man, for deal with the things still.
So if even you wanna benefit the youths, them come
kids
benefit.
them, that's why I want to set up certain things, you know. But I tell you, most of the people them unfair though in a life, you know. But the same thing with them around now, all the way go left it one day, don't it?
Vanity.
Yeah. But more have to left back somewhere where the younger one them can enjoy. Seeing like what them are doing, you know.
Big a piece of say no to drugs, no?
No. Say no to drugs. Ain't no need no coke, no crack. I don't wanna be dead stock. Don't wanna be like Jack to walk and drop. Love Almighty Jaja and me not turn back. Oh yes, I take a little trip to Mexico. I book a white man in no straight like arrow. Him say, hey Blackie, you ain't need no pellico. I said no. The land where we're from is where the good grass grow. So I don't need no pellico. I said no. So say no to drugs. Say no to drugs. Everybody. You know.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Bad thing. So that was voice for Jammies. Any other song where your voice for Jammies will actually take on to the streets and
Praise
did well?
the Lord, you know.
Praise the Lord.
Yeah. Praise the Lord was one of them too. You know.
So how long were you around Jammies for though?
It be like 2 or 3 years so.
Oh, 2 or 3 years.
You know, I read otherwise too, but you know them style.
It's an Ariel of a true man.
Yeah man, Jammies, man. I'm a bridging different road boy and things.
Yeah.
Know?
So after Jammies, where was the next destination?
After Jammies now, well, I did up play things start going. Cause that coming on the play now, some of them too responsible about no 45, so I go and buy some dub.
Just dub.
Dub, all the whole of the 90s I just dub. 1 and 2 recording, but nothing serious, you know?
Cause them time they still never really get that song that will kick down the business yet, Ari.
Yeah, the anorexia body.
Right.
Anorexia come long time.
Come long time?
Yeah, anorexia come from Skengdan when we start.
Yes, but so hold on.
Sturmar, we don't go to Sturmar.
Yeah, but that me I say.
Yeah,
After Jammies you go Sturmar.
After Jammies we go Sturmar, yeah.
Right. So was there any sound between Jammies and Sturmars or straight from Jammies to Sturmars?
I would have said straight from, because I go Sturmar before Jammies.
You went to Sturmars before Jammies?
Before Jammies.
So when you're at Jammies, you have an anorexia body already?
No.
Okay, so talk me through how all of that go then.
So after me did Jammies, now I advice to Jammies now. Them time I live at Vineyard Town, see? So them time the Skengdan sound come out. But it come out long before. When we reached Sturmars, Saw and Bourbant and Supercat had already gone.
Oh, okay.
It's just like Nicodemus was there still and me and Junior Cat. That's how me and Junior
Cat
Cat become close. Yeah man, enough place where we DJ and things, you see me? So the first night when Danny Dread bring me go Sturmar, you know.
Danny Dread
selected
from Volcano.
Danny Dread from King Atani. Roots days, bad sound from in a jungle. See? So them man did play King Sturk. I play a King of this too, a big selector.
Yeah.
See? So them man did bring me in because me there own some virgin name, some Rasta from now House of Dread from Berkeley, 8 Berkeley Avenue in a Vineyard Town. See? And Danny Dread bring me around the sound and the first night I got a DJ pan it in a place named Yorktown, down where Skengman come from. Them time I don't know how him get the cassette so quick. You see me? I like him hear me on the cassette and say, look how you can't left the sound, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, but Skengdan was a man now where it keeps some whole heap of dance with aces for a long time. So he know about liquor because the man there, the first man that used to keep about 26 dance, you know, back at one day, you know. He never used to ram to keep dance, man. He love it from down in them time before him go foreign and get rich.
Yeah.
You know, so I start DJ on the sound and thing now. So from start DJ, so my life changed because I live some good life around Skeng.
You live some good life around
Yeah,
Skeng.
man. Now we have some man, I train and that, you know.
Trainer.
Yeah, man, rich life, you know. Yeah, I'm sure we life, you know.
Yeah.
So I respect him on the level, but I don't get a sense for half of the anorexia all now. I tell you, if I never Ricky Troop and we turn around the dub plate.
All right, so hold on. Zane, because Mud Up no Skeng rhythm to man.
Yeah.
And vice Cat Bunny, you portion a big
That
song.
rhythm, them call rhythm young girl business. That's
Young
why
girl
I sure say
business.
in every way them try go around, me never get a fair deal. And me still lay the rhythm final in a Channel 1 studio, you know.
Yeah.
Then listen to the rhythm and listen to the song. That's that rhythm lay for that song. So me did voice pan it there, and Johnny P voice pan it, and Toughest did voice pan it too. So after no, cause them time the skeng there Miami have a studio Miami and thing. So after the rhythm go to Miami, at them time the Super Cat and Shaka D must go up on the rhythm. And a cat named Iggs and Sistrin with a song with it. Can't Test Me, you're supposed to know that song up on the rhythm.
Song,
so when them say the rhythm name Mud Up, the rhythm for name anorexia body, you know me late man. But me not have the angle in them time, but whosoever, them say name Mud Up. But me still never feel no way.
Yes.
I even the anorexia body song. When me voice a song, then a song the release, cause them time the Skeng a deal with them thing in Miami, seeing distribution, everything. I have all them one press, cause Skeng a press. Yeah man. Then Aquarius up a half a tree do the distribution in them time man. Seeing? So them time you know, it's when anorexia body release and a kick up down here, it a kick up a foreign long time, cause Little John was the first man see me and say, Harry have a tune a foreign, it a wow. I say like something about anorexia, but him couldn't detect it. So I say anorexia body man, my voice it for Skeng. I told them that road, you know. Junior Cat voice one now, cause we used to chat it in the dance now, and teeth the lyrics now. And voice is for the protection rhythm, right. And Ninja Man it put out a rhythm there. Remember the protection rhythm, Ninja Man and quote the melody?
I know all the cat version,
yeah.
Man.
Seeing, and him advice it pan up, but I'm a virgin still. We never fight for that yet.
So, anorexia body, Skeng done record label. You're saying I get $1 for yourself?
Missing not even $1. No royalty, no publishing, but I'm still living, you know. Still making music, healthy and strong, giving thanks to the Almighty.
But Harry.
If they don't want to give me them, keep it.
But Harry.
I have to live.
But Harry, that is the song where people identify with little Harry the quickest, anorexia body, yeah?
Yeah.
That without going around, that would then be your biggest song.
Yeah, well, you know, say, even though I know some forget the money still, I still appreciate the brethren.
How so?
Yeah, if I put out a song like that for little Harry, everybody know in the world, because anywhere in the world, I'm going to have to eat my food. Anywhere. Once music, unless no music now go on there. Dub plate it worse. Because when I say dub plate, I don't say anorexia. I say, we no fear nobody, bad man things, clash way, you know. So I still respect him on that aspect there by putting out a golden song like that. You know, classic, you know. But me no get no money. I want to live in that one. Even some of them plug-in car they were about.
Electric vehicle, yeah.
Yeah, even that.
Anorexia body came out and it went #1 in Jamaica?
Yeah, worldwide.
Worldwide.
Yeah.
That song, what that song do for you though? Because, well, you're saying I make no money from the song still.
You don't make no money from
it.
But in terms of when I say I make no money from the song, in terms of royalty and publishing,
right.
like record sale and so, but give me a couple shows.
Give you a couple shows. So you do something?
Yeah, enough dub plate until today. I can't stop voice. We no fear nobody. Sometimes the man call me and say they have 2 songs. So I say, one with 2 songs. I say, with 2 songs. Boy, one song you have for voice 2 times, you know, fear nobody.
So, the name, you push the name out there and you get some shows.
Yeah, man. It's a brand. It's a landmark.
It's a brand.
Yeah, so that's why I can't stop respect Skeng for that, even though it's still a money thing there too. Because you know them big man more time, them not no time for deal with certain things. Pat was the one.
But if you work, if you get PR.
Yeah, Pat was the one who controlled the music business. I don't know, look like him carry trainer white, because when I time there's a trainer I look for him and can't find him.
You still appreciate the fact that you were able to do that song on Skeng Dance label and your name went out there.
Yeah, man, I respect I respect that, man. I appreciate that a lot. I can't stop appreciate that until they do part or whatever.
Yeah.
Same, but need them food still, man, because them grandparents about and the boy them bright.
Boy, them bright. I forgot
Nico is a bright boy. Junior is a bright boy. Look one named China, little girl one she just born with her. She bright already. She know everything about phone.
Yeah.
Everything. Because I'm afraid I put on my phone and she pull it.
Yeah.
The passenger code them go so.
Pattern.
I don't know if I watch a little picnic watch me, I don't know where she do, but she pull it. Them bright, so I need some money. With them money they know for them set up certain things. Who want to come sing, or whatever, or take part in the music as them grandfather do, you know. Because you know for the money then you not much use to me I know. I have 50 and over how long me live.
50 or over.
But at least them boy we get it. Nico, we get it. You see me I
You
deal
don't look
with?
50 still in all honesty.
Yeah.
So yeah, do something right.
Yeah, man.
Still have a look young, look Harry look.
Yeah, my daughter, Miss Cheville Campbell, a.k.a. and Mr. Nelson, a.k.a. Clarksman, bad DJ, the man who always take them forward then.
Yeah. So what you know? Is there any steps being taken to kind of, recoup some of them royalties and publishing from...
About 3 years now, what, from anorexia body?
Right.
Last time he called along there, one little one of them call named Doggy, because I hide my talk, everybody are bad people. Last time he called, that time I live up Portmore Independence, look at one named Doggy and make me know, say, oh, I want a shot in the left pocket and where, and one time in the 100 lane, me say I have a link on the Whitehall Avenue, but a skank save him right there again. Because I nothing for go eat them food. In them time, the one we used to. In them time there. You know, not me like
yeah,
no.
Man, like your food still, man.
If you notice, we stay 7 miles out of the city.
Yeah.
We stay far from all, so even though it dies out, but we know to cope with it, you know. Because you know when you're young, you think different. But the boy, right, man, I tell about him, at the time I want to hold him, I say, come on, stop one of them boys. Them freestyle them alone can do certain things and way.
I'm glad you know hold him, because I probably couldn't talk to you.
But him just go bunk skeng, him don't know about skeng that thing. We did a long time and know the ground run. You see what I deal with? Me vex, man. And one I time I go up, me and Jonah Cat, because you know I'm virgin that. Seeing Chin them have a thing with them used to keep a nigga named Summer League or summer thing on the beach. And we go down there and skeng them there until we me all back, skeng them over there, so. I'm the over here, so, but them time that 100 lane me live in, my blood a boil, mad sitting. And Cat say, "Are you not going to link skin?" I say, "Nah, go over there, go check them. If you want to go, you go, but him it go still." Me never go, I just hold my terms. You see me? Skeng that, you know, and we love skeng and rate skeng, but you have some little boy around skeng, I hold some of them boy there. Because there's some little likes at them.
I don't want you holding at them.
Mash up vehicle and rare and go on a bag of thing and go on like a them name skeng.
Yeah. Anorexia body. The girl them want one piece, give them piece.
But see a baby, how you look so slim with you and now you get fat. Anorexia body. Follow me. Naturality. Follow me now. Naturality. No one anorexia body. Anorexia body. No one anorexia body. Anorexia body, girl body look good and body look fat about the fat it no natural, your body look good and body look fat about the fat no natural. She want 1 pound which you take the anorexia. She want 2 pound which you take the anorexia. Come follow me. 3 pound which you take the anorexia. She want 4 pound which you take the anorexia. And when me ask the little girl, the girls them are going like Ginal, them never really stop until them end up at hospital. And the whole heap of Gerital, and the whole heap of Cafenal. When you look on the general area in fit and physical, no one anorexia body, anorexia body. But there are some little woman and me can't understand. Can't understand. Who take the anorexia to a big bottom. When you see that it draw ear attraction. But only the yacht man get tricked by woman. Only the yacht man get tricked by woman. Can't make them do it like King Solomon. No one anorexia body. You don't know. So the thing said.
Man, Sir John, brother.
Yeah, man. Big song. Yeah,
big song. Big song. Anorexia Body is a song where most people know look at Harry for, but look at Harry have other songs where we do well.
Yeah, we do well in a foreign country, even before Anorexia Body.
Yeah.
Because the album, I think the album like from 81, so something really about
right. Songs like Strictly Rubber Dub.
Yeah, Strictly Rubber Dub we are playing them songs, you know.
Right, we talk about saying out to drugs already.
Yeah.
Idiot them.
New song that a side bass, they just a touch the side bass, you know. You know. Well, the little producer, that's a little family still, because after we start do some work, we find out say, I have a family by his father's side and by my mother's side, so the link even get more tighter. But the reason why we did kind of cool off, because we released some song before the COVID, but we don't want to change certain settings, you know. And you know, everything is a struggle. So after I'm showing me certain vibe, I said to him, "Say, bass, It's fun of that, you say, anything you say that, I say to you. So, more time you have to wait in a life for certain things.
Yes.
Well, we set certain implements in measure than thing and like we predict certain things and we see it come true.
Yeah.
You know? So I call me all this morning and say, when you come at East, I say, anytime you call me, if you call me night, day, I come. We have one song we want to record now named Pants.
Pants.
Yeah, upon a rhythm with Chronic Law, a voice seem right now, you know?
Okay.
In the center, master. Because Chronic Law, I get to find out, say, my last name, Campbell too. So namesake, you know?
You say Pants in the works?
Yeah,
Cyber.
Pants with the side boss, you know?
But separate and apart from that, you have other songs out there like Live Funny.
Life Funny, yeah. That is a label from St. Lucia.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, the Abyssinian House.
Yeah.
You know? That was like an all-star. A lot of artists on it, even Dignitary Stylish was on it. And Derek Parker.
Derek Parker.
Yeah, I think Chaka Demus was on it too. Yeah, a lot of big names was on it, said yeah.
Yeah, big a piece of Live Funny now.
Life funny, 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 funny. Life funny, 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 yeah. After me do the song name and Rex all body, the girl come and say she in love with me, something wrong, she lock me down. I don't really remember it still.
Yeah, I know them weird, man.
Yeah,
I know them weird.
Like funny, funny. I think we do it once on a dub plate and we have to listen to YouTube. Because most of them songs when they touch dub plate sometime, you know. I have to go back all to YouTube, you know.
Go listen to them.
Yeah.
I know what them weird say. The gunshot song, I listen it and it have a modern day flow.
Which one, say? Off the guns and put it up. Big tune up your selector. Which song that? Too much song, man.
And the man did it, you know? I war them, I war dog.
No place are going to have that problem.
Everywhere we go dog there, brother. Right. So we could go and talk, you know, still. So, I mean, down the years, look at Harry kind of disappear off of the scene, front line.
Yeah, because one at a time, we picked them in the barn and after they around, so to let them go to school and, you know. Enough little thing go down in my life still. But the greatest thing of life, I'm still there. I overcome a lot of things still, you know?
Yes. And you said that, you know, things ain't really so mushy until, financially, until Trooper
says,
cut anorexia body dub
fear nobody.
Fear nobody.
Yeah, them time I never hungry again.
You never hungry again.
Because that dub plate school me out them till them turn big man and big woman, pay me rent.
But you see a little thing just now, I forgot press again, pan. You say you never hungry again. So am I to assume that in the musical journey there were times when look at Harry did hungry?
Yes man, Raw want put on a pot and Kevin put on a pot and so much money out there on the line for man, you know. But I never make that be a problem, you know. I just make sure say my belly full at all time because food is life. You see me I deal with. If you don't have no food you can't carry on, you have to pop down. You know. So I just try to eat and drink and keep up myself if I even that, you know. Anything will come after, it will come.
So Trooper came and helped.
Yeah, man, they make a
put
big
on life
change.
back in our
Yeah. So after I start to deep dub them now, the white people them say, but wait, this man I can't do dub plate said way. This man I can't voice said way. So I start do some of them start send me some rhythm and I start do some recording 3 years ago. We release album named Youngest Veteran.
Youngest Veteran.
Yeah. You know.
LP really. LP or album?
The album, man. The album. Big up Rita and the Monday, you know. I say, up in the Switzerland there.
Switzerland?
Yeah. The label is really I Smile, I-Fi.
I Smile, I-Fi?
Yeah, I Smile, I-Fi.
How well did that album do though?
Well, it go on good, you know, but through COVID knocking, although them say the most online sale go on in this time.
Yeah.
But you know, most producers, they're not going to really
Show out
because we they collect 2-3 different set of royalty and there was no statement. And at first, I say, royalty come and no statement no come. Sales report, this is what I'm dealing. So this is something fishy, but I just hurt, I not to watch nothing still, you know. Because when the right thing for go on, it have to go on. Because after a time, everything have to come through one channel. So
One channel.
everybody who run, so make them go and do them thing, you know. Because you know, me have to lock
fall
up.
in line.
Yeah, everything I go lock up.
I just tell me that Kai camera in your hand, you put things in place to make it
Yeah, man,
line
I
up.
put things in measure so them thing the line up, man. Because 3 years now, I fight it with VP, and I buck up on one name, Mr. Bassett, I give me beer argument, and Jessica beer argument. A good friend of mine say, Harry, try get to Chris. Chris know you, them no know you. Chris know you, try get to Chris. And I ride on the veranda there, so I ring Chris one day and get to Chris. But him say, you're not little Harry again, you're big Harry now. You know, me and him did a rap and thing. Him say, give him a week, about 2 weeks pass. We get back to him. So last time I get back to him, like from last week, him say, give me the name of the track them, your right name and your information. So him and wait for him now. Because Bassett, when I tell them, I send me for go look for Billy Boy or family. I say, why? Because there's a lot of money. And that time, you know, they don't know say Billy Boy have him daughter in New York, that my God daughter Billy G. You mean I collect money, no Chris make me know that. Joanna collect money that a Jonjo wife. Said we, you see me I deal with?
So only Harry now get nothing now.
Me alone now get nothing. So I say, boy, right now, you know, me can't bother for go look for nobody, you know. Seeing, because him have them people, some them people migrate and him have people look about him business. Me not have nobody look about my business. So like when me alive now, just put me in the line and I can go and look about my business because I'm still alive. You know?
Yes.
Well, after I get to Chris now, a couple of weeks about now, I kind of still look at progress and I still have to wait.
More progress, work out and something fruitful though, Harry.
Yeah, I hope so.
Yeah, I understand. Because I'm saying a man working if you get paid.
Yeah.
That's all I have to say about
yeah,
this.
when you work, you're supposed to get paid, but you don't know the world run and thing, you know?
Yeah, and if you think them out there, then can still collect, man. I just you have to find the right channels and means.
The proof is there and everything is there, everything still a sell, everything still a run, you know?
Yeah. The government...
Because I don't really like to say, boy, I go get a lawyer for put on certain thing, a lawsuit. But just want to know, say, I deal with a man natural and...
I mean, I can respect that too, but sometimes...
Yeah, sometimes we really
have to light a fire.
Yeah, sometimes we really have to light a fire when I say things now work out the way it should, but I hope not.
I understand what you say.
Hope it not reach to that point there.
I don't hope so neither.
Yeah.
Watch out now. The government name is Claude Campbell.
Yeah.
The world knows as Little Harry.
Little Harry,
All
a.k.a. 80s boss.
Yeah, all the Little Harry thing come about.
Well, Little Harry thing now, I used to DJ pan years sound, seeing. Them time them call, try my name Claude, them call like man Little Mass-Up. Them time that there was the notorious Claude Mass-Up. You know, them time there. See, but the name of work still, because even if I go to country right now, certain I mean, long time class and certain people, Mass-Up them still call me.
Mass-Up.
Yeah, so after my boss place now, General Echo, it was a General Echo, Little Harry, big.
Yeah, Echo used to part too.
Yeah, man. Echo, say, boy, God, no, I'm not too like the name we have, you know. I'm going to change the name, you know, right? At the dance, you know. Crowd of people, you know. Say, people, you know what I'm name now? I'm name Little Harry. And everybody accept that. So do I too.
So General Echo change the thing from Mass-Up.
From Mass-Up to Little Harry. And boy, I mean, it's like a bad luck to Ratty.
Yeah?
By the 3 weeks time, the man drop out.
Drop out.
Because the man, me and the man for DJ up and a dance in Apollo, Duck and Field. Over my era, I up and down the scene. And like say, the dance go on. If the Saturday night or the Friday night and them drop out like on the Wednesday. You know, upon the same week where the dance go on.
Great man.
And we get a blow right this again. You know? In all my career and my lifetime, it's just struggling, but I fight it and try to hold up my head above the water. No matter how I suffer, how I struggle. I just know say I'm music myself.
Yes.
Because there is a time when I have to go out on the side and fling 2 water buckets and I still never did feel no way because
work
that my father used and grew 7 of us.
I respect that, brother.
Yeah, man. Even in a wedding out of St. Thomas, I used to live with a girl. Wake up at 4:30. I say, where you depend? Boy, the boy go to the outer road. I say, yeah, man, I come. I know where the site I will find it. And do a thing, you know? Collect a little money and come in. At one man, when I dip on the site and the phone ring, some people from Germany, a dub plate they want. So I say, okay, bro, no problem, tomorrow. You call it tomorrow, them say yes. So the money in the union, the man, I just call it and do them work and send it off. The next day, site.
Site again.
Cause you know, I have kids around me and woman and you know.
Respect that, brother.
Yeah, man. Cause no work, no downgrading.
As long as it's legal
when
and
you work,
honest.
don't wash off and have your money in your pocket too pretty like you.
That's true you talk, man. True you talk. You said that, you know, your career has been a struggle right through.
Yeah, twisted, man.
Yeah. So why you're still at it? Why you not walk away from the music?
Yeah, because that is my goal.
That's your goal.
Yeah, that's my goal no matter what. And I see me walk halfway the road to riches already, so I see that things can work.
Things can
What
work.
really happened in anorexia body now, they hold me with a machine out on the 9 Mile bridge.
Oh, they did?
Yeah, I end up when anorexia body.
It was stretch?
When anorexia body around the road, I was doing a stretch.
How long?
When Gilbert Hurricane blew.
88.
Yeah. When Gilbert Hurricane blew, but their GP they said wait.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, enough people don't even know them.
But me frightened, you said that you know?
Yeah, the man go to prison, go serve time already, man.
How long?
Well, it's like 6-7 months. And the case still go on still.
Yeah, that boxes.
Certain things will work up and I get free off it.
Yeah.
I never get
6-7
sentenced. I
months.
was run by the remand, yeah.
Oh,
At them time, the same Mr. Winter, he set up certain things. So
Oh,
even
okay.
though he might do nothing for me in life, musically, he still do something for me.
help you come back around.
Freedom, you know.
Yeah. What was the situation surrounding the machine thing though? If you can get into it,
A machine like this.
the gun.
Oh, them time them over dirt road, you know. And me say someone a plan for rob me. So I say, boy, the best me have something. You know, that if when them confront me,
Can't
deal
defend
with it,
anything.
yeah, you know. But it wasn't like really, me have a man with jazz a gun every day.
Right.
Go up on certain type of move and certain type of work. It was just a protection,
Yeah.
you know.
May I ask you a question though? Would you say that while the song was, you know, out there and a terrible road, if you were here, you know, to help push the song, propel the song,
Yeah, things would be better.
Your name would probably be even bigger.
Yeah, it's bigger and things would be better. My career would have go more far. Because I don't get to do no show. When
the song did act.
yeah, when me come on road, the song already slowed down. And it wasn't like things like now where you could have stayed from prison and record and them things, you know?
Yeah. So looking at that though, there's some regret that you weren't on the street to help propel the thing further.
Yeah, man, I regret, man.
And you would have benefited more financially
More
from the thing.
financially, yeah. Worldwide, you know?
Yeah, about 7 months, wait, 7-8 months?
7 months.
7 months, yeah, that, it could then be 7 years on, so
Could be
still
7
give
years.
thanks.
Yeah, I still give thanks.
Never been involved in anything with the law since then.
No, just look at herb, you know. Hold me
Just look at herb.
Man, hold me spliff all the while. Man.
Yeah?
Sometimes I get a chance, 1 and 2 times I get locked up.
Yeah?
Always I hold me with ganja road, man. Sometimes I say, officer, I have a drive, so I go one side. It's like go fear.
Yeah, so when you came out, the song did that slow down, yeah?
Yeah, already slowed down.
And you made mention that Volcano left the country without you one at a time.
Yeah, them hide my passport.
Yeah.
Because them time I see, I'm not sleep the night.
Yeah.
And I say, I foreign, I go now. So through them hide my passport, I didn't bother look back the side there. A boat to send me around a torpedo. And I go and hold a vibe, you know?
What, to make you look like a Ghana foreigner or what?
No, not really. I just get
just
frustrated, yeah, and just a chop. Low town little, you know?
When was the first time you actually went overseas to perform?
First time I went overseas, one time I did St. Thomas and like, I only for a pound of herb, you know? So, brother about my search me, you know? I call it, I get hot.
I get hot.
Yeah, but me the man, me ever, in any event, me ever have my passport for me. So I stay so boom, my man, I'm go down at high time. That I the same set of link, you know,
Yeah,
when
so
we
we
do
do
the
the album
live
with
funny
it.
for, yeah. And the man him say, Harry, you know, easy, you know, man, you know, long me I look for you, I say, what go on? You know, say, you shouldn't there, no, I say, where me should have did. The man said, St. Lucia for there, 3 days ago, from, you have your passport, I say, where you say, man? I'm just give him it set time.
St. Lucia.
St. Lucia, within 2 days time, quick. About 3 weeks up there and come
About 3 weeks.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Where are some of the other places you have gone to perform other than St. Lucia though?
2 times I fly.
2 times you fly?
Yeah, the last time I fly it was Barbados. Who I
Barbados.
Exodus a man and I say, Indian I do some whole heap of dub. But me there, I'm easy still. And him come to me and say, you name Little Larry? And I say, yeah man. He say, no, sir, you me I look for. I say, John, no. He say, come here, and him start talk. He say, I want 2 dub from you in idea, but you just show me I keep up, so, you know. Right now, you're one of the artists on it, you know. Boy Bantan, and we did it, you know. And him fly up back the next day and come back about a week time. Spent about 2 or 3 days around me, my yard and everything. And then him fly back. And then within a week time, we fly. Little Hero was on it, and Boy Bantan and Natural Blacks. So me and Boy Bantan fly together. But that man angle me like, you know, father to son.
Right.
You are? And me I go out there, boy said, do you know where you go now, sir? Rasta, just stay with me there, man. Because I'm a virgin until
real
now.
general,
Yeah,
man,
man, I'm
real
a
general.
virgin, man, until now, man,
Real
until
general.
now. When they want a sound wave and him come around there, I hear someone and say, if I were never there, you're gone a long time. I say, well, no, no, but a long time. I don't see my son, man.
So, St. Louis and Barbados.
So when we go up there the morning, you know, me get all the money for go give the artists them balance. Every man get them advance through them account already. So the balance to them forget now. So I pay every man and I pay bro. I say, I will keep my money, man. I don't want to see no money I know, man. I have the money for about 3-4 days. And I come and I give it.
Yeah. Nice.
But Boro, traveling with Boro, I tell her it was Irie, you know. Yeah, for real. Boro gave me like a father to a son. You know. Anyway, the dub plate and they were gone.
Gone.
Yeah, but me in a foreign now, you never really see Little Larry on the road and walk and them thing there. We drive past. I drive come take your teeth when I just say, drive come check you. And we there. And I go back at my hotel or wherever I stay. You never really see me linger up on the street and them thing there.
Is there
But
anywhere?
we dip on the street every day.
Yeah, but
In a vehicle, yeah.
yes. Is there anywhere where you sit down and meditate and love for God a place to go mash it down one day?
Israel.
Israel.
Yeah, Israel. Switzerland. Holland. All of Europe.
So now you have some people in Switzerland can do a thing for you, man.
Yeah, when the time comes,
When the time comes,
yeah,
that
man.
I hope it come true.
Yeah, you know.
Hope somebody from Israel will watch this and you call me and say,
I
teacher,
miss
my
them,
man run Israel link me, you know.
I say I'm going away, I save my money in the festival, them start again, me there.
You did there?
Yeah, I'm there on spot, you can't tell me nothing. I'm here.
Yeah, you're there.
Yeah, just
man.
book me now.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you did it already.
I'm there already. If it reached to that,
If
you
it
know.
reached to that.
You know.
Anorexal Body are the song where people know most, but you see, is there anyone that song we actually make the money off of though, Eric? I probably had that question if I ask you.
Yeah, man. This album I released 3 years ago. I eat food off
the
of
youngest
the album.
veteran?
Youngest veteran. I Smile project. Eat food off of that. And they have a next project, Blondetto. This collab with Colonel Campbell.
Colonel Campbell, yeah?
Yeah, just like, I have a number to my daddy that.
Yeah?
Yeah, just like
Yeah,
3
man,
years.
I want it back.
Yeah, man, just like 3 years back.
Yeah.
You know, them send me royalty. Yeah, man, and this brother, Black Knives, Paul Ozzy, he was in Jamaica a couple of years ago. Great engineer.
Yes.
You know, because I saw me go, I get to know all them Billy Mystic and them man there from Mystic Revealers. All we used to up at Jack Silly and Toots, a good friend. I saw come now me and Toots do a collab. You know after that?
No, you know?
Little Larry and Toots. The song named Talk.
Talk.
Yeah, and the Black Knives label. We go YouTube, we will see it.
Okay. But when I search, because when I search, I don't see that.
Yeah,
man.
Talk, Little Larry and Toots. Yeah, man. You know, Black Knives. Them man, they send them royalty straight up, man. You know, the man, the Irish.
So the thing has been improving as the years go on.
Yeah, as things goes by, it improve, you know.
We hope we continue on that trend, brother.
Yeah, man, for real, man. But we just need to set certain implements and measures in place. Where the thing can come through one channel.
One channel.
Yeah.
We know you're saying you make no money out of music, but musically, is there anything where you achieve or you're
Well,
proud
when I
of
say
it?
no make no money,
You tell me that, you know.
Me no rich out of it,
Yeah.
but me no have nothing else to do otherwise
music.
some music, yeah, that make me survive from
That make you
a
survive.
school days, from me I go to school. I buy my own book
Alright.
and them things.
Probably
like,
a me score. You see, I make a whole heap of money out of the music.
But
Probably
it
that
make me
is the
survive,
but
yeah.
you survive.
I survive through it, yeah.
So what would you say is your greatest achievement from a musical level?
My greatest achievement on a musical level is when I get that big song, Anorexal Body. You know, because that's a song that blew me up in Jamaica.
Right.
You know, I mean, everybody know about Lick Larry from Aces and Yellowman days, right round, but we never used to do much recording.
Right, from a recording level at that pushing him out there.
Show you where they yeah.
Right.
So after I do that now, at them times that push me, that give me a push. Even though I did end up in exile for them couple months.
Right.
You know?
Is there anything musically, is there musically something where you hope to achieve or you still not get that something yet?
Yeah, I need like my own studio.
In your own studio?
Yeah, I need a band.
You need a band? I mean, you are going to play in the band or you want to own the band, control the band?
Own the band, yeah.
You are going to own the band. So the studio now, you have to record or for the production work?
Just production.
So, yeah? You're interested in that?
Yeah, man.
Any
got some young youth and the thing too, because I think they're good.
Any progress with the studio thing?
Not as yet.
Well, when the thing come in line and some of the money start coming through, we hope that can come in place.
Yeah, man, yeah, man. Or even more than one as well.
Even more than one.
You know, like if I wouldn't mind, I have 3 locations, every location is a studio.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're serious about it then,
yeah, man, like Jimmy Cliff them, you know. So Cliff Rest, you know.
So Cliff Rest.
Oh yeah, so every house have a studio, like. And the 2 slim on the street. Last time I see him outside and brief him come out, you know, white brief. So like I'm gonna say, who that?
Yeah.
But they never know a star.
Yeah.
Someone go to the car and people like some white girl night or yeah, blood on the sky. So the man in final say a Cliff, a bare respect, man. Him let off a money give them to a bad fuck him a go.
Yeah.
Because we there talk now is a man go to there bad fuck up there in the hot water rock there.
But I have to look up the one day for him then, man, because I can't find
him. Love bad fuck and a lot, you know.
Yeah, you have been doing music from them time till now. 8, 9, 10, and music come right through. I know you say you don't look at hustling and things, but is there anything outside of the music where you love enough, Harry, where you then do to put food on your family table if it wasn't the music where you sustain anything?
Like if I make the money from the music, what would I do?
No, if there's something else where you love enough other than music, where you think you're then happy doing to put food on your family table, other than music.
Yeah, man, could I go do some farming?
Some
love
farming.
yeah. And food I eat.
Food I eat.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Love farming a lot.
Yes. You made mention of the collaboration with Toots. What you say that song name again?
Talk.
Talk.
Yeah,
you want to look a piece right now, man?
It's on the Black Nice label.
Black Nice label. I don't remember the one in either.
Let us have a talk with each and every one of you tonight. Let me get down right on it with you tonight. Let us bring back old memory. Like I said, people we want back the old time love. Fling with the envy, unafraid dash with the grudge, greet the brethren with a heel and the sister with a hug. Never stop praying to the Father above. Remember how old time people used to live to them one another. Every little thing we always give, you know,
yes,
something like that,
yes.
You know. Think positive and
Talk.
Think. Yeah.
You mentioned Cornell Campbell.
Yeah.
Collaboration again.
With Cornel Campbell.
What that song the name?
I don't remember,
you don't remember the song, but you and Cornel have a song.
Yeah.
Who else? And you do healing in the dancer with the yellow and Fathead and Jarubal.
And you have a unity in the community. It's on the album Youngest Veteran.
Why you do that?
By Juna Cat and
Juna Cat,
you know,
right?
I couldn't leave him out.
Cat, right. Is there anybody in the music where you not do a song with? You don't mind going to the studio go do a song with?
Dignitary Stylish. Yeah, that man is a youth where I should really do a song with.
Can you virgin, man?
Yeah, I'm a virgin too, but them time when the album I do, them time they dip on I think a tour in what them call a little country, man, where the footballer them come from. Brazil. Yeah, somewhere up there, you know.
Yeah, film place that for children.
Yeah, man, up there, me did them time. I talked to him this morning too, you know.
So you don't love the something with Stylish?
Yeah, man, I love the something with Dignitary Stylish.
I pray that soon happen then, man.
It will happen, man.
How many children?
Me?
Yeah.
Just 2, you know.
Just 2.
Nelson Campbell and Sheville Campbell.
You mentioned them earlier.
Yeah.
And them doing well?
Yeah, man, them doing well, you know.
Are you married?
No, not as yet.
Not as yet.
Intend to early, very early.
Very early.
I'm find back my real, you see me?
You find back your real?
Real to real.
That's how you think
From
set up,
school
man.
days.
From school days?
Yes.
I eat that, man.
I eat, you know. Happiest time in my life.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
So, Little Harry is still around. Still in the studio.
Little Harry is for the present, the past, and the future. Still musically inclined from that time until this time, you know.
Yeah. What your favorite song? Where you record?
The favorite one in my record, you know, I the one named On The Go.
On the go?
Yeah.
Yeah? Why?
Because, you know, I always dep on the go.
Yeah.
You know. Always I try to put some food in the pot.
Yeah.
You know, always dep on the hustling, you know.
Give on the go a go, make we eat no, man.
So me say go, little Larry you fi go, with a G and a O, me dep on the go, 7-3 in a row, that a tita toe. Girl, bend your back and you fi touch your toe, and bend down low, make me tell you when me know. She say go, general you fi go, say go, general you fi go. My favorite producer in name John Jo. Well, me not want to dry it out, you know.
Yeah, that's what you say.
Yeah.
So that's your favorite?
That's my favorite.
Your favorite song?
Yeah.
Is there a song where you do, Harry, where you think not get no justice, you think you shouldn't be a bigger song?
I not go to say that, you know.
What you gonna say? If this jacket them did play it and the people them did hear it, will then be a bigger song?
If you say when song bad, nothing can stop it.
Interesting answer. It's an interesting answer.
When a song bad,
nothing can stop it.
Nothing can stop it. Or when you want to play it, you have to play it.
Or when you don't want to play it, you have to play it.
Yeah. But then again, song can get penalized too. You know, by not getting any airplay and all them things. Because all the things change now. You know, like you have to pay a man to play a song, you know. And I don't feel no way to give a man the money. I work.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, work. And if that it reach something, I say it for go. You know. So I don't really feel no way because you know it goes still more time, like me for come up back in a business, to take a food, because I don't want the money. But after the thing break out, I not go through that series of hardship there again. Everybody will become a friend, you know. We know the thing said.
Rougher than rough?
Yeah, but the first part there, I have to pay a look away through more while.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, man, you have to grease a man palm more time, because I saw it going on.
Are you not an issue with that?
No, sir, I don't have no problem with that.
Enough man I go burn you out for that till in Harry.
Eh?
So man I go burn you out and say, yo, they not support them things.
I brought them bad.
Yeah, I brought them bad.
But me not watch that. I go through more and go through. The man who go burn me out, he not do nothing for me. He not do nothing for me, you know.
Yeah. But understand what you ask me
Yeah,
too
man.
still. They have to do it for yourself.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. What's your favorite rhythm?
Right now,
Anytime, from them time till now.
I read him in Rockfort rock. Banana pop 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 banana. Boom 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 boom. Banana pop pop pop. Yeah, still one of my favorite rhythm.
Yeah, so what's your favorite artist?
In them time, Brigadier Jerry, I analyze
Yeah.
as a youth coming up. Right now, nobody not bad to me like Chronic Law.
Chronic Law.
Yeah, everybody do them things.
I
and
throw a
everybody
St.
so
Thomas
nice.
man, Harry.
No, that man, him deal with him thing different.
Yeah. A bad
Him
artist. you
lyrical
choose,
content, him different. I mean, even feel like I get the right justice.
Yeah?
No, sir, I don't feel so, man. That man for bigger than that, man. They're not bad like Chronic Law, man.
So they're bad like Chronic Law.
None of them. All them maddest thing. But like Popcorn to still, you know. Yeah, Poppy have a DJ.
Eastman them.
Yeah, Poppy have a DJ differently to
yeah,
still.
sing loud in
Yeah,
the
not too, no, man. Not too a Eastman,
Yeah,
them, man. They
yeah.
don't use the music there right now.
Yeah, he's the music
I'm
there.
right up there right
Right
now.
up there. Yeah.
Big up Sci-Fi, Sci-Boss, Cliffy Boy, family.
Yeah.
Large up yourself every time. You can bust big like Sly and Robbie them. Tell the world that, I'm tell you that too. Straight. All right, watch where I go on.
Make a piece of rougher than rough though. That the pan Billy Boy, yo.
Yeah.
You look like you remember. See all the scratch on the
Remember
neck
some of them
back.
songs.
But the way it go. For the little Harry fan them and the people that have been wonder where little Harry there. What you have to tell them?
Well, I have to tell everybody where that wonder where little already. I really have to wonder because I have something I like and I look and see it again, I go ask it.
Yeah.
If I'm interested in something, I go ask it, just like I teach them, say, a lot of people say, why you don't reach a little area? Try find little area. So, you know, there is something still in the process. So all I have to say to the eye them, just long life, prosperity, whole heap of love and blessing, take care of yourself like how me I do said we too. Live good, clean liberty, you know.
For the people them out there who want to get in touch with Harry for dub plate and the like, so how do they go about doing
Well,
that?
me dey on the Facebook, you know.
What's your name over there?
Yeah, me dey on the Facebook. You can find me on Facebook. Or you can find me 42207336.
Then
Just
can't
don't
forget that.
Yeah. 42207336.
Father Harry, give thanks, brother.
Yeah, man.
You know where
Nice.
thing go.
Yeah, man. Nice for having me
And
too, you know.
Let me say, brother, because sitting down here and listening to the man and reasoning with the man contribution to the thing deeper than enough people them probably think.
It's like one of the column.
Callum.
Yeah, me, it's like one of the column, you know.
And Mrs. You still have the musical drive and the energy.
Yeah,
Said
man,
ways.
same way, you know.
Still sharp, still
yes,
quick.
man, for you see we see music, you know. When hard and soft, rough and tough, just music, you know.
Give thanks, brother.
I even give thanks to the music because it keep me away from a lot of things like
We're glad for that.
for bust gun and
We don't want that.
you know. Because many times when certain move for me, I look back and say me the artist that saved, you know, and I say, John, my career. If my boy feel bust off right now, I'm just say, John, my career. You know, him get to it.
Make him get to him, man.
Yeah, make him go on, man, because we not
Yeah,
too like the trouble now. We go through it already and see the
man.
process. We
Go on,
see the
help raise the grandchildren, them, man, and then sit them, man,
Yeah,
and
then we are live for
and
right
set up
now.
a thing for collect your money and then sit them.
Yes, and that's
Live
the
local
main
life.
thing, yeah.
You understand?
Make a
For
boy,
the
boy,
wife.
they then can stay one side.
Yeah, man. Brother, big up yourself.
Enough love and enough
Give
respect,
thanks.
blessing and prosperity. And may the good Lord bless the eye for keep up a good work.
Appreciate it, brother.
Straight up. So me say this is the original liquor representing for the man called Teach Them. So me yalla naturality. Test teach them. We will do done very. Naturality. This teach them. You end up in the cemetery. We no fear nobody. Body, we not run from nobody. Body, say in no fear nobody. Body, in not run from nobody. Body, we see them up and see them hype. We go dig off them stripes, see them run and see them jump and go back from them. We fling. One teach them to a sound boy chest. Two teach them and a boy no test. Three teach them we send a boy to rest. Make them know to teach them around the dub plate press. In the north and the south, the east and the west, we just dig off them bogus badger for them chest. So we no fear nobody. Body, we not run from nobody. Body, sing. Teach them with a style well different and in focus like camera in a event. Firm like concrete wall of cement, we no need GPS for us to keep current. How it's two of them have a boil them up. How it's poke them and a oil them up. And who them dull knife a try to cut. Not even a tailor can style them up. How it's two of them have a boil them up. How it's poke them and a oil them up. And who them dull knife they a try to cut. Not even a tailor can style them up. The 80s boss don't play around. If I ramp in them, I look tell them to find a playground. Circus enough for me, who them a try clown. It's like them 1 year old, the steel pipe sound. Thumbs up and with that, Spain town. Teach them with the Zik chroma fame own. When you see the dogs, them don't throw a stone. When a pint and miss boy, you get a skull blown. And we store them have a boil them up. How we poke them and oil them up. And who them dull knife a try to cut. Not even a tailor can. Still, I like the phone where you apple and me still a hold it out like the rum in the back. The browning when me palm with an affair muggle. Me no play football, dog. Me no take tackle. Don't know. So the thing said, teach them to the world. Teach it to the boys and the girls, you know. Straight.
Mad.
Pull it up again, teach them. Pull up the one for them, teach them. The one are too bad. Play the tune.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.